there are many residents who are working as frontline workers. They are getting infected, and once they are getting infected, the efficiency of total work is being hampered definitely. So currently that is putting a greater burden on the other doctors which are working.
Foreseeing this situation, there were a lot of agitations by the resident doctors going on in the past weeks for expediting the NEET PG counseling.
अभी आप जाके देखोगे टीवी में पूरा ही छाया हुआ है। कल पार्लियामेंट में भी क्वेश्चन गवर्नमेंट को काफी ज्यादा प्रेशर है, जितना प्रेशर है कि अब मोदी को भी इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ा है इसमें।
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Faiz. I'm a resident doctor in Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. As we can see, the third COVID wave is already here, which is expectedly earlier this time. The COVID cases are increasing alarmingly in different parts of the country, and with a handful of new variants like Omicron in the market. As we can see, a lot of doctors, including the nursing officers and paramedical staffs, are also becoming COVID positive lately, which is making it very difficult for us to manage different wards and emergencies. And this situation is similar in different parts of the country, in almost all hospitals.
Definitely, the Delhi is facing the surge in COVID-19. So that is really affecting the efficiency of government hospitals, because there are many residents who are working as frontline workers. They are getting infected, and once they are getting infected, the efficiency of total work is being hampered definitely, because we are seeing through the news reports that large number of resident doctors are affected, and these are the doctors who are working for maximum hours in any government hospital. In AIMS, Delhi is not an exception of this overburden, because now the general OPD, general services, however, the total number is decreased, but still continuing along with the COVID services, and that too with the less number of warriors. So currently that is putting a greater burden on the other doctors which are working, because they are working in the COVID area. Also, they are working in the routine areas. They need to work for more number of hours in absence of those doctors who are affected with the COVID. So definitely they are at higher risk of getting infected with COVID-19 infection.
तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये बात मानी होती तो शायद पहले 2 मीटिंग में मान चुका होता। पहले 2 मीटिंग में मैंने इनको मना
Foreseeing this situation, there were a lot of agitations by the resident doctors going on in the past weeks for expediting the NEET PG counseling. With God's grace and a lot of people's hard work, it was a successful strike. We were heard by the government and the court, due to which the counseling is expected to be held within few days, which will give us a new batch of doctors, which was very necessary for the management of the third COVID wave.
So, thinking that the doctors' protest against need counseling, I don't think that does have any significant role, because the maximum residents which are infected in Delhi NCR are from AIMS New Delhi, and AIMS did not participate in the protest, because at AIMS we do not have any delayed counseling, and we had support. We supported them from our side, but we did not participate in any protest. But still, we are infected and we are having the maximum infected residents. Yeah, the cases are still rising at AIMS New Delhi, but the speed is a bit lower, because what I see at AIMS New Delhi, that the residents, they are getting their booster dose now. Also, that they are protecting themselves. So there are residents who were infected early in the past 2 weeks, but then now the speed has been decreased a bit, but still the new residents are getting infected continuously. There are around 2100 of resident, and still we only one fifth of them are infected currently. uh, yeah, definitely 2021 was the most difficult years, especially for the residents who got admission in 2020 as the first year, and they continued working as first year for next 2 years. The counseling is still pending, and we wish that the future generation of doctors would not face any such uh, a tough time or any such kind of difficulties.